This is the new 2020 Ford Super Duty F-250 SRW Lariat truck crew cab. The color is Oxford white. Some features include a reverse sensing and rear view camera, power sliding rear window with a defroster, and a trailer sway control. To help you feel safe and secure, it's equipped with a belt minder chime and SOS post-crash alert system. From the inside of the new 2020 Ford Super Duty F-250 Crew Cab SRW Lariat truck, the interior color is black, dark Marsala. Some features include a 60/40 rear bench, Ford Pass Connect 4G Wi-Fi, and lane keeping alert, as well as remote keyless entry. Please come on down to Malloy Ford here in Alexandria, Virginia, and make it Malloy. Thank you.